Alright, I have here the Atlas milling machine vertical attachment that is homemade, and since it's raining out, I'm going to do one little project down in the basement today that I've been neglecting. So, I use these wire nuts, and they work for now, but the problem is when you go to plug in, well, sometimes it moves a little bit, and I gotta go in and tighten her up, and, you know, that's not good, because that could create a electrical fire, or just bad connection and burn out the motor. So, I came across this right here. Now, how it works is like this. You first take the connections, you put them together, put the sleeve over it, heat the sleeve up, and by the power of heat and silver solder with flux, it's connected. So, let's get started on the project. Now, there's a packet right there. Perfect. So, 16 to 14 gauge, they give you 30, 35 for 22 to 18, and 10 to 12 gauge, 10 of them. So we're going for the blue one, so that's a 30. Stick it in there like so. Now, you're up. Here we go. Yeah. Alright, there we go. So let's try it out. Alright, she is working. Check that out. So, if you guys cannot find your soldering gun, or for that matter, tired of soldering, tired of using wire nuts, I suggest picking up some of these. These will greatly benefit your life. That's all I got for this episode, so if you guys would please hit the subscribe button, if you would please. Don't forget to tap that notification bell, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Greatly appreciate it. Alright, later.